Hello friends, today we are going to learn another sheet metal part as you can see here in this drawing. So I'm taking this another example for our sheet metal part. This is something new part as it is consist of this circular or this is you can say angular slot you can see here which is given 30-degree on each side. So this is some angular type of slot is there, and I will teach you how to draw this arc slot and constrain it in our solid edge. So let's start with new. You can go here new and select this is ISO sheet metric sheet metal part. Okay, so click on reference planes. You can click on this box, then make isometric of it, then click on tab this here. Okay, so go here like this. We're going to draw a rectangle, then of 100 by 70 mm. You can see here 100 by 70 is our length and width here. So we will going to give a dimension of 100 by 70. Okay, then close the sketch. Just see here, we have to take a thickness of 4 mm. You can see here like 4 mm. Okay, now say finish. Now you can see here we have to give a flange which is 90-degree flange having a distance of 34 mm. You can see here, I will zoom it for you. You can see 34 mm. Okay, so we will go here 34, select flange. You can also select multi-edge flange also, you can select, just then click on it. You can see here. Now first of all, always remember that the bend radius will be always equal to the thickness of sheet metal part. Okay, so say okay here. Now we want to give it inside, material inside, this is material outside, and this is bend outside. Okay, so always give as per your dimension you are going to choose this. So in this case we are going to do this by, so distance will be 34, then enter. You can see finish. To cross check, always inspect with, give cross check the by measure. You can go here measure, click here, and then click here. You can now see 100 mm diameter length is there. So our sketch is art is okay. So yes, again. Okay, so now we are going to give these two holes. To give holes in sheet metal parts, you need to go here, then click on hole, then click here. We need a hole diameter around, it is not given here, but we can take anything we want. We can take a 6.6. So go here, general screw clearance for M6, which will be normal. Okay, which is 6.6. we need it through next, then say okay, then select our plane or face or surface, then click on it. Now these are two holes here like this. So we need a diameter around 10 mm from here. Length, okay, so distance between two holes is 46. From one side it is 12 mm. From this side we are going to give it 12 mm, like this. Our sketch is constant now. As you can see, the holes are black. Again through next, say cancel. You can see here our holes are red. Now the next will be give hole here. This hole needs to be given. We will take it as same as here. You can see it is a 9 mm, and from below it is 25. So we will again go to hole and select plane. As it is in a center position, we again need to select hole type. So again we will go screw clearance. The M 9 mm diameter hole will be used for M8 clearance hole. You can use here normal. You can see here 9 mm diameter for M8. Then you go here at the center, as it is in a center. Then the dimension will be of 25. Enter. You can see our sketch is black. So just now you have to. This is how our hole is now ready. Again, for the next, we are going to draw this to this arc slot. So again we will go here. Now you need to select a cut from hole to give a cut. Okay, so select cut. Now select here. Okay friends, so now go to draw arc slot. You need a arc by center point. So select this arc by center point here. Select this center, then draw arc like this. Then right click to again use it. Like this. Okay, now we are going to use two lines. Always take this center, just go over it and use it again. You can see these are two lines we are going to use. Okay friends, so these two lines we use for only angle purpose, so that's why we are going to turn it into construction. Here also always choose single to convert a single line into construction. Go here and then convert the line into construction. Okay, so now we will give dimensions. Angle between these two lines, this plane and this line is 30. Right click, then again you can use the same command, 30. Okay, now we have to cut. So now it is 30 degree, as you can see here. Now we have to close it from here. Okay, so again we will draw a one arc which will be at the center of it, like this. So we will use trim command here. Okay, like this. Now we are going to close this arc to this, we are going to use a tangent arc. Now we will choose this point and now choose this point here, again this point and this point here. So now these are tangent arcs. So friends, the distance between of this, the width of this slot is 9 mm. So we are going to draw a line here, this to this point, and convert it into construction. So we can always get a full loop here. We need a loop for a cutout, so you can select this as a 9 mm. Okay friends, now we need a distance between these two centers is 30 mm. So we go here, distance, we for the distance between 2 points always select this. You can go here, distance between, so select that and select the center point of this line. Here you can select 30 mm. See friends, our sketch is ready now. And if you want to cross check, you can see here is 15 mm. Also click on right mm. This is also 15 mm. So our sketch is ready now. You can close sketch and you can cut this. You can also cut this on one side only through next, just pencil. Okay friends, now we have to cut this side cuts to go. Now go to again, go to cut, then select this face. Okay, so we have a dimension of 40 mm and this cut is 75 mm, 75 degree. So this is 40. So you can always equal these two, equal with using equal. Okay, now 75 degree. This is also where we need to give 75 and just say cut. Through next, you can use through next, right click. Now friends, always give, our part is ready. Now we need to give a radius. Always give fillet to sheet metal part, so it will not get uh, it will not get cut to any people who's handling that part. So that's why we need to give back corner from here. Select like this, like this. You can select break of 4 mm, then enter, then finish. Okay friends, now you can see our sheet metal part is ready, and that's how we are going to give us arc slot and how to use a sheet metal part and give holes to it. So if you like this video, then share, subscribe. Thank you friends.